Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Now, today we are discussing the questions from ninth standard onwards. These type of questions are very useful for the calculation in mathematics. Rationalizing the denominator from ninth standard onwards, irrational numbers we are studying, and from there, the rationalized and the denominator is a main question there. Here, rationalizing the denominator 2 by root 12. Denominator is root 12. Root 12, that means 2 by root of 4 into 3. That is 2 by root 4 into root 3. Root 4 is 2. Why? Because 4 is a perfect square. Therefore, 2 by 2 into root 3. That is 2 and 2 cancels. Therefore, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equivalent to 2 by root 12. 1 by root 3 is an irrational number. Why? Because the denominator is irrational. It is not the simplest form. For that, we have to simplify that by making the denominator rational. For that, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. Otherwise, the value of this rational number will change. Therefore, 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, that is root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Therefore, the denominator becomes rational and the irrational factor is transposed towards the numerator. Second question, 63 by 5 the whole root. That is root 63 by root 5. Root 63 can be split into root of 9 into 7 by root 5. Denominator consists of root 5 the irrational. For that we have to multiply by root 5 in the denominator and also multiply the numerator also by root 5. Therefore, root 9 into root 7. Root 9 defines 3 and root 7 into root 5 by root 5 into 5, 25. That is, root 25 is 5 and 3 can be written there. Therefore, 3 by 5. Root 7 into root 5 means root of 7 into 5, that is root 35. Thus, 3 by 5 root 35 is the final result. There is a third question. If root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equals a plus b root 3, find the values of a and b. Here, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, this is an irrational form, equals a plus b root 3. To find the values of a and b, we can take the LHS root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. The denominator has root 3 plus 1. Therefore, we can consider the conjugate of root 3 plus 1 as root 3 minus 1 to multiply. That is the common procedure for rationalizing the denominator when the denominator is a binomial set. Therefore, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That is root 3 minus 1 the whole square by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 means a plus b into a minus b. A squared minus b squared. Therefore, root 3 squared minus 1 squared. Root 3 minus 1 the whole squared is a minus b the whole squared. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. That is a squared. Root 3 squared is 3 plus b squared plus 1 minus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into 1 minus 2 root 3. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab by a squared minus b squared. Root 3 squared is 3. 1 squared is 1. That is 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. When simplified, we can take 2 common factor. 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 2. That 2 and 2 cancels. Therefore, there remains 2 minus root 3 equals a plus b root 3 as RHS. Therefore, 2 plus minus 1 root 3 equals a plus b root 3. Therefore, a equals 2 and b equals minus 1. For not making any mistakes by the students, I am converting this 2 minus root 3 as 2 plus minus 1 root 3. This minus 1 we have to consider. The students may mislead as minus root 3 as b. No, it is b equals minus 1. Next question, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. This is a rational form, but the numerator is 1 rational, but the denominator consists of a binomial irrational number. Therefore, 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into conjugate of denominator root 7 plus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. This means 1. Root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Numerator and denominator the same number, therefore that is equivalent to 1. Therefore, I am conjugating the denominator as this. Therefore, root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 gives root 7 squared minus 6 squared, root 6 squared, 7 minus 6 upon root 7 plus root 6 into 1, root 7 plus root 6. That is 7 minus 6 is 1. Therefore, root 7 plus root 6 by 1. That we can simply omit the denominator. Why? Because the denominator consists of 1. Therefore, root 7 plus root 6 is defined as the final result.